Hello students, how are you? Today, in this module, we are going to solve textual exercise from chapter 13, Changing Times. So, let's start. First question, find out and write. Talk to anyone of your grandparents or any other elderly person. Find out when she or he was 8 or 9 years old. First, where did she or he live? Name that place. The correct answer is, he lived in a hut in a village. Next question. From what material was her or his house made? The correct answer is, it was made from bamboo, mud, wood, straw, etc. Third question. Did they have a toilet in their house? If no, where was it? The correct answer is, most of them did not have toilet in their house, but some had. Next question. In which part of the house was food cooked? The correct answer is, food was cooked in the veranda, which was used as kitchen, separated by a wall. Next question. A lot of mud was used when Chaitanya's house was made. Why? The correct answer is, a lot of mud was used when Chaitanya's house was made to protect the house from heat and cold. Next question. The people who used the toilet did not clean them. Discuss. The correct answer is, the people who used the toilet did not clean them as they thought it was a dirty job. Therefore, people from C.B.S.E cleaned the toilet and took away the waste. Is there a toilet in your house? Who cleans it? Answer is, yes, there are toilets in my house. Any of my family members cleans them on weekly basis. Seeing new things. What materials have been used in making your house? The correct answer is, the materials used in making my house are cement, bricks, concrete, sand, iron rod and wood. Find out the materials from which your friend's house is made. Is there any difference? Write about it. The correct answer is, my friend's house is made of materials like sand, cement, iron rods and bricks. No, there is no difference. What kind of house do you think Chaitanya's grandchildren will live in? The correct answer is, Chaitanya's grandchildren will live in the skyscrapers made up of cement and iron. Next question. Where would you like to live when you grow up? What kind of house would you like? Correct answer is, I would like to live in a city in a bungalow when I grow up. Next question. You had written about the things that your grandparents' house was made of, as some of the same kind of materials being used in your house. Name them. The correct answer is, no, those kinds of materials are not used in my house except doors and windows made of wood. Next question. People are given names according to their work they do. For example, a person who works with wood is called a carpenter. In your place, what do you call a person who works with wood? The correct answer is, in my place, a person who works with wood is called as a badhai. Now, look at the picture and fill in the table. What are they shown using in the picture? Write them in the given table. Work. Construction of rooftop. Tool. Trowel. What is the person called? Mason. Second. Work. Mixing of cement and sand. Tool. Spade. What is the person called? Laborer. Third. Fitting of electric wires. Tool, drill machine, screwdriver. What is the person called? Electrician. Fourth, fitting of pipes. Pipe cutter, pliers, wrench. What is the person called? Plumber. Next question. Do you know people who do this type of work? Who talk to them and find out about their work? Discuss it with your friends. Answer is yes. I know people who work as electrician, mason and plumber. Next question. With your teacher or someone from home, go to a place where a building is being constructed. Talk to the people working there and find out answer to the questions. What is being built there? The correct answer is a house is being built there. How many people are working there? Correct answer is about 20 people are working there. Next question. What kind of work they are doing? Answer is some people are mixing sand and cement, some are passing mixture to another person, some are laying bricks, etc. Next question. How many men and women are there? Answer is about 15 men and 5 women are there. Next question. Are any children working there? What are they doing? The correct answer is no children are not working there. Next question. How much money do these people get paid daily? Ask any 3 different people about this. The correct answer is mason rupees 500, carpenter rupees 600, helper rupees 400, foreman rupees 850, crane operator rupees 900. Where do these people live? The correct answer is these people live in the tents located near construction place, while others come from their houses. What are the material being used for making the buildings? The correct answer is the material being used for making the buildings are cement, wood, iron rod, sand, stone chips, bricks, etc. Now it's homework time from page number 104 and 105. Now it's time to say goodbye. Thank you.